Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but.
What's up, family? Hey, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I just want to say today, happy Emancipation Day. Yes, Jamaica celebrates Emancipation Day today. This is the day that we celebrate the freedom of the African slaves. Yes, slaves were set free in Jamaica on August 1, 1834. So today, as proud Jamaicans, we celebrate the freedom of our forefathers from the struggles they endure. And today I just want to say to you, let not their hard work, sweat, labor, pain and blood go in vain. As we celebrate today, let us emancipate our minds, yes, as Bob says, from mental slavery, because none but ourselves can free our mind. So whatever it is that you are struggling with today, or whatever it is that you are going through and it seems as if it is holding you captive and holding you in bonds and bondage and chain, find a way. Seek help if you can't do it alone to free yourself. Yes, we are emancipated. We are a proud nation, strong, resilient, ambitious, and proud. So today, hold your head high as a Jamaican. Walk with pride and dignity. And whatever it is that you need to free yourself from, go forth in the liberty wherein you have been made free, and go for it. Do it. If you need to go back to school, do it. If you need to start your own business, do it. Make your dreams become reality. Start today to emancipate yourself from the struggles that you are in now. And yes, have a great day. Enjoy yourself. And as a bonus, enjoy this little video that I've put together especially for you. Enjoy your holidays.
We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no end, keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better, the better, the better, oh, the better, oh, the better, the better, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better, the better, the better, oh, the better, oh, the better, the better, the better it feels. You don't ever wanna tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you. I watch you fall apart, like pouring water over your fading spark. Isn't it enough already? Isn't it enough now, baby? Isn't it enough, 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 enough? We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. frustration. It's hard to make it through. I watch you fall apart, like pouring water over your fading spark. Isn't it enough already? Isn't it enough now, baby? Isn't it enough, 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 enough? We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no end, keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better, the better, the better, oh, the better, the better, the better, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better, the better, the better, oh, the better, the better. I watch you fall apart, pouring water over your fading spark. We keep on riding on the freeway, keep pretending that it's pretense. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels. We keep on driving like there's no end, keep on wishing for a better day. Sinking down low, the further we go, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better, the better, the better, oh, the better, the better, the better, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. The better, the better, the better, oh, the better, the better, the better, the better it feels, the better it feels, yeah, yeah. You don't ever wanna tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you. I watch you